I will talk about how can you use Reddit on your phone. So you just install your Reddit. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your Reddit here. So when you just click on your Reddit, it's going to show for you like this. And the first, you just go here above your photo profile here or photo profile. To sign up, just click here on sign up and log in. Then here you connect with your email or with here. So you just click here on continue with your Google or with your email. I'm going to connect with my Google here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for your email. Then you can select your email. When you just add your email here, automatically it's going to sign up with you here like this. So now like you see here, it's sign up with us. Then when you just click on your photo profile here, it's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you manage your profile, just click on profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click on edit. Here can you select your avatar here, or here can you add your image. Here can you add your display name and about you here. Can you link with social here. If you want to disable or enable content visibility or show active communities here, then can you save it. So then we will go back, and here in this list you just found here shots. So when you just click here on shots, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you find all shots you have. I have nothing here in my shots, but if you have it, can you find it here. And here can you create shots with someone here or someone you have on your account. Just click on it. Then here can you search for it, for him or for here. Then it's going to show for you here. Then can you create new shots, and you click here on create. So and here can you create thread. Just click on create. Then here can you add title here, and here text, and here if you want to add video or image here, then you just click on post and it's going to post video here. So then we will go back here to next step. In here can you find your communities. Sorry, just click on communities here. Then here can you find all communities you have in this list. It's going to show for you like this. Can you just join it when you click here on join to community in this list. Then we will go back here on your profile. Just click on this sign, and here can you get your Reddit premium. Just click on it, and here can you create community in this list. Then here contributor program and wallet. Then here can you saved, find all saves you have. Then when you just click on settings here, so then here can you manage your profile here in this list. So can you manage it if you want to disconnect here, or select your gender and change password or update your email and your localization here. So then here can you manage your notifications for app, and here for email. Then here if you want to find your blocked accounts, and here manage muted communities here, or chat and messaging permissions here. And here can you disable or enable allow people to follow you. And here can you disable or enable here show your follower count. Can you manage it in this list. And here can you manage all so all this privacy in this list. And here about you. Then here can you delete your account. So here we will go back. Here can you change your language, and here content language, and templates here, and default view. So if you want to show you are measure content here, can you enable it or disable it. And here text size, can you manage here your text size. And here media and animations. So if you want to select here your auto dark mode or light mode, and here can you add the two. So then here can you select to if you want to have dark theme, and here if you want to enable or disable saved images. So in here for comment jump button. So in this list here, can you find your privacy policy here or user agreements? Then we will go back here. Then when you click on this side, it's going to show for you a list like this here, and here can you create a community. Then you will find all community you have in this list here. So that's all you have to do here in this list. Then here can you search, just click on it. Then here can you search for anything you want here in this news. So then we just click on home. In here you will find all threads. Then can you react here, and here can you add comments. Here can you share it. So because before I forget, here you will find your inbox for notifications, and here can you find messages here. You will find all messages you have. So then you just click on home. Then we will click here on photo profile again, and here in this when you go down here, so you will find here story here, and here can you manage your online status if you want to enable it or like this or disable it like this here. So and here can you log out, just click on it, and you just click on this sign, you click on log out, then it's going to log out with you on your Reddit app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.